Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to Tip Tuesday. I'm totally digging Tip Tuesday. If you're enjoying it also, let me know down below. Totally like to hear your opinion about it. So today's tip, hot crochet tip, is whip baskets. Whip baskets are great. I like them more than project bags just because I can see what is in there. If I am not using it or if I'm not working on it quick enough, then I will transfer it to a bag and I will put it in one of those boxes over there, the storage cubes, just so it's out of sight, out of mind and doesn't get dirty. But for anything I'm actually working on or working on within a month or two, I love these baskets. I have a bunch of these flat ones. I have two different sizes of baskets. I have the big ones. I use these for, you can put all your skeins lined up for different colors or whatever, or if you're doing a blanket, you can put a couple packs of yarn in here, like 8 balls or 12 balls, and your blanket beside. This is good for like larger projects, sweaters, you know, something where you have more balls of yarn, bigger pieces, something like that. These baskets are great. You can also stack them on top of one another and kind of keep all of your whips stacked, but you can also see what whip it is. So you don't have to like wonder about it, and everything is inside. Plus when you're working on it, you just put it down on the sofa beside you, ball of yarn. You don't need a yarn bowl or a yarn anything. You can just work from or with the yarn from right inside the basket. It's not going anywhere else. I love it. You can also throw it down on the ground and work with it there. So it's kind of like a yarn bowl, an indestructible yarn bowl that you can put anywhere where you need it to be, beside you or on the ground, whatever is comfortable. So this is my large size. And then I also have this smaller size. So both of these I got from my grocery store. These were $1, what were they, $1.20? Or $1.05 or $1.21. They were something like that, really, really cheap. So I bought, I don't know, a dozen of these small ones, and I don't have enough of these. I think I only have about 6. And I can't find them anymore. So if you do find a really good whip baskets, get more of them while you can. I'll put a link to the ones you can find on Amazon down below if you want to check out what you can get that's comparable in North America. So these small ones are great. They have cute little handles and you can kind of, you know, just put them on your arm and still kind of work as you go around. These are great for smaller projects or making a scarf, making something with less balls of yarn, just smaller projects. These are great for. I also keep my scissors literally tied into the corner of my baskets. So I always have a pair of scissors. These are just nail scissors, like cuticle scissors from like what would be my dollar store if it was a dollar store. But I just got those locally also. And I tie them into my basket so they're always there. If I need to cut anything, it's gonna be with my whip. So I just cut it and they stay here. I don't know if it's for my kids taking them or me using them and like putting them on a shelf or putting them on a desk and not putting them back in my whip basket. So this has really helped me keep scissors where I need them to be. The other thing I keep in my whip baskets are little gum containers with a darning needle and stitch markers. So I put in 10 stitch markers and a darning needle. You can always have more stitch markers if you need it, but generally I just put one color. I'll link my stitch markers down below too. They're a really, really good deal on Amazon. You get 240 something stitch markers for like $8 in really cute cases, all color code, like separated by color. So I just take one of those colors and pop it into a gum container with a needle and throw that in my whip basket also. So all my whip baskets stay like this until they look like that. Then I use them. I keep my hook in there as well, as long as, you know, it's not my 7 milli because I only have one, but these ones I have a lot of the other sizes of the regular clovers. I think I have 5 sets. So I just keep my hook in my basket, and then anytime I want to work on it, I just literally grab the basket and go and work on it. So keeping your whip baskets or preparing your whip baskets and keeping them handy is today's Tip Tuesday. So I hope you enjoyed it. Have a super great day. Thanks for inviting me over, and stay hooked. That was longer than I wanted it to be, right? Too much talking.